Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you where to find the account number in Shopeepay. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Shopeepay, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here, I'm opening my, Shopee, and right here, I'm going to my profile by clicking the me icon on the bottom part. And right here, I can just click settings on the top right corner and it will show me my account settings. So right here on my account settings, I can click account and security in order to see my personal information. So this is my profile, and as you can see, the phone number and the Shopee account number is the same. So your Shopee number and your Shopee phone number is the same. So what you input on your phone number, and that will be the same as your Shopee account number. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can find your Shopee account number in Shopee. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.